And I'm sorry for what happened, and I take responsibility for what happened.
But do you take the blame? I mean...
I do. I mean, look, ultimately the buck stops with me.
Last night, Taoiseach Micheál Martin was in defence of his leadership at the Fianna Fáil Parliamentary Party meeting following the publishing of the Gavin report, which detailed the ins and outs of the near €400,000 spent on the presidential campaign. Before his nomination, you, it appeared, only had one detailed conversation with Jim Gavin.
Context of presidency, yes. Through June, July, party officials had met with him. I thought he had prospects, if I'm honest, at the time, because of his background. To be frank, we didn't have candidates on the table in June or July from within the parliamentary party, certainly.
Yeah, now we did talk about this before, and you said no one in the parliamentary party was putting their hand up. And then I mentioned Bertie Ahern, who you did say, well, if you're talking about investigating, people's financial affairs, the Fianna Fáil party didn't really want to go back there with Bertie.
That was my sense, and the soundings I took confirmed that, and indeed polling confirmed that, and also we got very negative feedback in August, just from the general public generally talking around. I don't mean that like in a negative. These are facts that are there that would have been resurrected, notwithstanding his outstanding role in achieving peace on the island of Ireland.
At what point did they tell you, listen, there is something to worry about?
Deirdre Glan would have said to me that Financian has rang, I think it was either the day before the day of the vote. Basically, he says, do you know anything about a tenant issue? And Deirdre said, no, I don't. I'm going to have to stack it up, he said. And then he said, did you guys do your due diligence? And Deirdre said, we did. That was put to Jim Gavin. He said he never had an issue with a tenant. I also understand that people are very, very annoyed with what happened and very angry with what happened. And I accept that too. And I'm sorry for what happened. And I take responsibility for what happened.
But do you take the blame? I mean...
I do. I mean, look, ultimately the buck stops with me in relation to matters of this kind. But we had a very good general election. People were very happy for me to lead the party into the general election. And I'm very conscious that I received a mandate to become Taoiseach. And I'm very conscious as well, as a party, we have to deliver for the Irish people. The one thing I can say categorically, I've not allowed any of this to divert me from my duties and my obligations as a Taoiseach.